Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Flutter meditation app designed inside today we need to create here the meditate tabs need to develop here. First of all need to see this design inside the Flutter app. First of all need to today we need to create like this UI we need to develop inside the Flutters. First of all, need to set this here the title. Then after the subtitles, after need to creating here the list grid, you need to develop like this UI. And after need to create here the daily claim box, you need to develop. Then after need to category list are the developing here. Now these designs are convert into the Flutter. First of all, need this here the screen inside. Need to create here the new folders and to give this here the name as a meditates. Need to set this here and to give this here the name meditate like this. Now need to create here the new files and to set this here the meditate screen dot like this you need to set here and to save this here. First of all need to copy this here the home screen topic choice state need to copy here all data the screen data need to needs and to paste this here like this set here. Now need to change these titles and now need to set as a meditate screen like this set here. Now, first of all, need to import here the needed sol image, need to import here like this and to importing here. Now need to set here the first of all the some variables declares need to selection category are the need is here the one variable select indexed is equal to set here the 0 like this set things. Then after so need to set here the list and category array need to give this here the value or need here I have already prepared and to copy and paste this here and to save this here and also need to change this here the needed the category list of the meditations I need to give this here and to replace with this data here like this set here and to set this here. Now first of all need to create here the scroll view need to declare here need to create wrap widgets with the scroll view need to set here single child like this set here and now need to define here meditate like this set here copy here and to paste this here this this data and to set this here font 16 like this sets and also need to give this here the text align set as a center like this set here and now need to remove here the expand no needs like this and need to set this here the first of all the physics never scroll and to set here the const value like this and to write down here the sync wrap as a set here true like this set here and to configure this here also we need to needs here some configurations before so need to set here some needed information so need to put this here now need to show this data go inside the main tab view and to change this here the names const meditation screen meditate screen like this and to set this here and to save this here now need to click on meditations and to remove this here the that's why need to crash not an issue need to remove this here the colors need to give this here the always color white is and also need to change this here the text colors always need to give this here color white and to set here the post. Save it. Now need to alt reload these apps and go inside the home tabs, and to change this here the meditate tabs need to set this here. Now our designs wise need to create here the UI. We need to set this here. First of all, we need to set here the backdrops filters. We need to set inside these containers. Need this here. First of all, we need to set here. Now need to set here as a clipper rack widgets clipper rack, and now need to set this here the border radius. Set here border radius only, and to give this here the bottom left, and to set this here the radius circulars, and we need to set here the tens like this, and we need to set here the bottom right, and to set here the radius circulars as a tens, and to set here the const value. Set this here, and now need to set here the backdrop filters. Backdrop filters, and to set here the filters as a image filter blurs sigma x is equal to, need to set this here 10, and sigma y is equal to set this here the 10 like this. Need to settings here. Now need to convert into the container, and also need to set here with double max bits, and then after need to set here the color color black 12. Need to set this here like this set here, and to call this here this data, and to remove this here the row, and to save it like this, showing here the our UI wise displaying this data. And now need to create here the daily claims box. We need to develop first of all. Now need to go inside the home screens, and to find out here the daily clone claims UI need to put this here. Now need to copy this UI, and to paste this here inside the meditate screens, and this here. Now need to set here first of all, we need to set this here the migrate edges insert symmetric horizontals. We need to set this here the 15 like this sets here. Now need to set here first of all the daily claim, copy relative path, and to paste this here this image. Then after we need to change this here the titles. We need to set this here that F13, and to give this here the push participants push practicals, and also need to change this here the play button colors. Need here black buttons, copy this relative path, and to paste this here, and also need to change this here the text colors, color primary text like this sets, and need to color primary text like this, apply here, and to save this here. Look like here the showing, and also need to change this here the colors, background colors need to change here, and to replace with this, and to look like here the our UI are the similar to view this here. Then after need to create here the develop here the category list. First of all need to need this here the size box, and to give this here the height 120, and to set home. After need to create here the children's, and to give this here the list view chapters like the sets and to set here the context indexed like this and to return this here the inquel on tab event and set here the children's and create here the column like this need to return here and to give this here the another context indexed like the sets and to give this here the sized box width need to give this here as a 20 and const width need to set this here. Now need to give this here the item counts need this here. First of all need to set this here the get array dot length and to set here this data. On tab events need to give this here the select index is equal to index like this sets here the value. Now need to read this here the tab UI need to go here the tab buttons and to need this here the logics copy here and need to paste this here. Now select first of all need to give this here the copy and to set here the select icons need to give this here the handouts here where see object is equal to get array indexed like this copy this here the C array and need to set this here icon. Now copy this related path and paste this here. Now need to set here the titles copy related path and set the titles paste this. Now need to change this here the font size 25 also need to change 25 and now 55 and also need to change this here the color set this here. Set here. Now need to set this here the primary text colors need to apply this here and to fix this like this data are the settings and to save this here. Now showing like this horizontals and not show here the icons need to check here need to go here and this here colors set, set here. Now showing and now need to change here the scroll directions axis horizontals like this sets here and showing this here. Now need to set here the padding const edges instead symmetric verticals need to set here the 20 and horizontals need to set as a 20 like this you are the UI are the showing this here and also need to change this here the directions remove this here the row no needs and to remove it. Also remove this here the expand and now need to set here the center to save this yes. Now, similar to our Figma files designs, need to show these designs and and also need to increase this here the corner radius for this category. Now need to set event. Now both UI are the showing here the similars and to display goods, not an issue. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.